Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I installed this Burmese curly half wig. So if you're interested, continue watching. Today I am working with CurlyMe hair company. I'm just showing you guys what I received in my package. So I got this hair care tips card. I got a wig cap, some eyelashes you guys are gonna see me put on, this adjustable band, and of course the wig itself. So I'm just showing you guys how the wig is looking. So this is their Burmese curly texture. Super nice, super nice. I'm showing you guys the inside. So it has one comb at the top, two combs at the side, and one comb at the very back. It also comes with an adjustable band, and at the back it has this non-grip slip. And then we have this drawstring to make the wig tighter or looser, however you would like it to fit your head. Yeah, any size head type could wear this wig, trust me. So I'm just pulling it back out and we are gonna get into this install. So this is how my hair is looking, freshly blow dried. I am just going to start off by parting out my leave out at the front. So just above, like in front of my ear, we are gonna make a part from side to side and leave that out. So guys, this curly hair was great. I was on vacation, so you already know when you're in these hot countries, you need yourself some curly hair, and this hairstyle is very low maintenance. So I like to use the back of my tail comb to make sure that nothing will be showing behind my hair. And then I will be braiding that front portion away and working with the back first. So when braiding the back, I honestly just went in with some big braids. I probably did like 3 braids in the back, guys. This does not need to be anything neat because this curly wig is going to be covering everything. So I just stuck that end into my braids and I'm going to be putting on this wig. So this is how it looks. Yeah, this was 22 inches, guys. So I used the comb that was in the back to stick in the back of my head and the comb at the top to make sure it was aligned in the middle part of my head at the top. So we do use the combs to secure the wig onto the head, and then I used the drawstring to just tighten it. So with the drawstring, there is this little piece that you just pull to make it tighter or pull down to make it looser. And then you just put the extra piece of string up into the wig. You don't want to necessarily leave it hanging, guys. So this is how it's looking. I love this texture, but what I did realize was my hair was a little bit longer than the wig, guys. I couldn't even believe it. I was shocked. So I was trying to think what I can possibly do to make this blend and not have to cut my hair, because we were not going to be cutting the hair. I just got a trim. So I did decide that on one side I'm going to tuck the hair into the wig because you wouldn't be seeing that, which was a great idea. So I just twisted it up and just twirled it, made it kind of small, and then stuck it inside the wig. Once I did that, I figured the rest of the little ends that were showing, once I kind of curled it, it would blend in a lot better with the rest of the hair. So clearly I thought I did something right. So I did go in with my BioSilk first, and I just spread that throughout the hair. And I decided I was going to use my waver to wave my natural hair to help blend in with these curls. So as you can see, the waver is crimping up my hair, so it is making my hair just a tad bit shorter, which allows it to blend in better with the hair as well. So once that's done, I'm just combing through my hair and the curls to just kind of blend it in. I thought it was looking pretty good. So once I did that, I just decided I was going to create a little bit of edges. So I'm going in with this edge control that I bought in Jamaica. As I said, I was on vacation, so this hairstyle was just amazing. So I just did a little swoop at the front. And guys, if you are thinking about your next vacation hairstyle, this half wig is it. The Burmese curly half wig is it, because we did absolutely no work except for crimp the front. And worse, if your hair is already curly naturally, that is amazing. So this is how the hair looked in its natural state. No product, no water, no nothing. Could you guys believe these curls were so nice? So I did go in with my shine spray and I just sprayed that all over my hair because I would have loved to just wear it in this texture, but just for the sake of the video, I did go ahead and add some mousse and stuff. And I just did this to define the curls more, so you guys can see exactly how it looks. So you just want to make sure you spread the mousse all over. You can go in with your water bottle and spray it as well. And this is how it is looking. So even though my hair wasn't curly, like naturally curly, and I crimped it, I thought it blended in pretty good. And with these like curly wigs, you can always like hide your natural hair as well by just making the hair fall over on it. That is another little trick. So shout out to CurlyMe Hair Company for sending over this unit. I absolutely love it. If you guys are interested, all the details will be down in my description box below. You can go ahead and check them out. Honestly, if you did enjoy this video, please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about it. Like this video and make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you're not already subscribed. But thank you so much for staying until the end, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.